Do you want to inspect elements on your iPhone without a computer? There's actually a shortcut method you can set up, and I'll show you how, step by step. This method uses the Shortcuts app to interact with web pages directly from Safari. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap the search bar, type Share, then select the Share action. In the action block, tap Input and set it to Shortcut Input. Now tap the blue text to choose what content the shortcut will receive. Tap Clear to remove everything. Then enable Safari Web Pages. Then tap Done. Next, tap on Nowhere in the Receive section. Go into Details page and turn on Show in Share Sheet. Then tap Done. Now tap the search bar again, type Run JavaScript, and select Run JavaScript on Web Page. This sets up the shortcut to interact with the web page using a script. Once done, open Safari, tap the Share button, and run your shortcut on any web page to inspect elements or extract data. And that's it. You've set up a shortcut to inspect elements on your iPhone without needing a computer. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.